In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your Serpentine belt tensioner on your Chevy Sonic. It's located in your wheel well on the passenger side. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove our lug nuts. Make sure you got a good hand on the wheel so it doesn't fall off on you. Remove your wheel. You can use a 12-point socket, 19mm, or a belt tool to remove the belt. And you're going to put it right on here. We need to pull it this way so we can loosen this so we can take the belt off. So I'm going to pull it this way and then slide it off the tensioner. Now you can remove your belt tool or whatever you're using. Take the belt off completely. Using an E14, we're going to remove this bolt. And now we're going to remove our tensioner. There's only one way this tensioner fits, so make sure this is on the bottom, and the bolt goes through the hole, obviously. And it was a little difficult getting it out, so you're going to have to feed it up and through. Line everything up. This pin here we're going to pull out once we put our tensioner socket on there. We'll snug it up. We're going to torque it to 41 foot-pounds. Now we're going to feed our belt up to our alternator. Put it on that first. I'm going to go up over here. Get it around our compressor. And our crank. And then we're going to pull it in. And get it around our tensioner. There is a pin in there that's helping us out. And now you can slip it on. Double check, make sure everybody's where it belongs. And now we're going to get our belt tool or our socket, whatever you're using. And we're going to put it on our tensioner and pull back and remove our pin. And now we can release it and remove our tool. Install your wheel. Keep a hand on it in case. And you can get your lug nut started. We're going to tighten up our lug nuts. I usually start with the one on the bottom and walk the wheel on and go in a star-like pattern. We're going to torque our wheels to 100 foot-pounds. We're going to do that in a star-like manner.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.